Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Code 369. Our motto is to learn by doing sample projects. Okay, we will be showing some sample projects and we will be learning how to write code to make that sample project working. Okay, the things which we are going to learn today are how to do text wrapping, and we will be knowing what is text wrapping and then how to do that, and how to insert bold, italics and underline. Okay, by inserting it separately and also combined, that we are going to learn today. Prerequisites: install VS Code and its extensions, create folder and open folder in the VS Code, and create HTML file. To do all these things, I put links in the description box. Check that and do it. Then only we can write code in HTML. First of all, let us create a new HTML file. Okay. Go here, this is Explorer, click this and click here, new file, give file name as file 4 because already I have file 3, so give file name 4.html. This is very important. You should end with .html, otherwise the VS Code editor cannot accept this file as a HTML file. Okay. Please remind yourself that you have to insert .html and click here. A new HTML file will be created. Now we are going to learn what is text wrapping. Before that, we have to construct the base structure, and already I have given a link in my description box what is base structure and how to insert base structure. It will be detailed there will be detailed explanation for that in my YouTube video, which is given in the description box. Let us create base structure now by using shortcut method. Type HTML:5 and then click. The base structure will be imported here. Okay. Now we have to delete the unnecessary things like language, en. This is unnecessary, and from meta to here, this is unnecessary. Delete all these things. And this title means, this title tag does what means. This is the thing which is giving title to the web page. Okay. Here my location, there is a tag, right? There is a title, right? This is what title of the web page. This is given by the title tag only. Whatever you insert here will be shown as title of the web page. So delete this also. By default it has given title as document, so delete this. This is not necessary. We are going to give title as bold, italics, underline. See what happens. Now you have to save the file by pressing Ctrl S, and now you have to go to the VS folder, VS Code folder that you have created. Okay. Now open the file 4. Now it shows that bold, italics, underline. Now the topic is created. Back to VS Code. Title is created. Back to VS Code. Now we are going to understand what is text wrapping. Okay, before that we have to insert a paragraph. To insert a paragraph, we know that we have to press P and press enter, or you have to type it manually and press enter and leave some space here. There is an option in VS Code. Actually, I know. Actually, you can use it an option. Just type lorem and press enter. There will be a paragraph inserted inside the open tag and close tag of the body element. Okay, you can see from here there is. From here the paragraph is imported. Okay. Now we have to understand what is text wrapping. You can see the paragraph starts from here and goes beyond. The paragraph starts from here and it goes beyond the side. Okay, side of the screen. You can see from here. Okay. To adjust that and to make it come to the next line, what we are going to do is, actually this is what text wrapping is. We have to make this line, the line which continues beyond this sidebar, and put it in the next line. That is what mean by text wrapping, and let us see how to do that. Now you have to press a. Now you have to press. The cursor can be anywhere. Just it can be this here or anywhere. It can be anywhere. Just press Alt and Z. Okay, what we have to press? Alt plus Z. If you press like that, the text wrapping option will be enabled in the code editor. Okay. What it has done? The line was continuing from here to the sidebar, but now it has come to the next line. And also we can disable the text wrapping by pressing again the Alt plus Z. Okay, it has gone beyond the sidebar. Actually, we have to use text wrapping because that is very important if you have to see the code clearly what we have written. Now press again Alt plus Z. It has come to the next line. Now we have understood what is text wrapping and how to do that. Now let us know how to create bold, italics and underline. Okay, this is the sample project that we have created. And in this project what we have done is from here to here we have done bold. Okay, it looks bold, right? And from here to here we have created italics. It will be slightly italics, right? From here to here, this is italics. It will be slightly slanting, that's what I told. And from here to here we have done underlining. All these three things have been done in a single paragraph. So how to do that? Let us go back to the editor, VS Code, and what we have to do is again insert a paragraph, sample paragraph. To insert the paragraph you have to press P and enter, otherwise do it manually. Leave some space here. You can enter lorem, L-O-R-E-M, and press enter. The sample paragraph will be there. And what we have to do? From lorem to elite we have to create bold. Okay, from lorem to elite we have to do bolding. How to do that? Bold, simple. The tag name for bold is B. Okay, that is very simple. Type B here and press enter. And you have to insert the close tag at the end of the word where you have to end your bold. Okay, from like this if you put. And the main thing you have to understand that even if you leave this much of space, HTML will not be considering as an error, because you can leave any amount of space in HTML. Okay, that is not at all a problem. And next what we have to do is from here EAQE this to it. From EAQE to it we have to do italics. How to do that? From lorem ipsum $. Actually, sorry, I have to say one thing that I told that you use the lorem keyword and press enter to enter the paragraph, but every time the paragraph changes, like after elite here it starts from magni. Okay, magni libro, but after elite here it starts from voluptate susceptit. Okay, so we don't have the same paragraph in the sample project. It's okay, just we have to do italics, right? That is what we have to do. So go to the editor and from here to here, somewhere else, here we can do italics. Okay, how to do that? How to do that? Leave some space and press I here, and it will be showing shortcut. Press enter here, and you have to place the whole tag, and you have to cut the close tag and you have to paste it here or here, anywhere else. Paste it here. Then what you have to do is underline. From this to this you have to underline. How to do that? Simple way of shortcut is press U. Underline. U is for underlining. Okay. And cut the close tag and paste it here. Let us see what is happening. Press Ctrl S and save the file and go to the Chrome and see our web page. Right click, reload. This is our file actually. Right click and reload. What has happened? Actually 6 is added here, and where it is, this 6 is not necessary, so delete this. Ctrl S, go and reload. What has happened here? This first paragraph actually it was used for text wrapping. The second paragraph only we used for bold. So from here to here we have created bold, and from here to here we have done italics, and from here to here we have done underlining. Okay. And in the second paragraph what we have done is, they have done italics and underline, both two things. Okay, can you do like that? Yes, of course. You can do both italics and bold in a single paragraph. Okay, on the same line. And also you can do, you can change the order also. You can do bold italics or italics bold or bold underline or italics underline. You can do any pair. Okay, any two things you can do. That is not a problem. Let us see how to do that. Going back to the editor and insert another paragraph. Press P, enter, leave some space here. Type lorem, L-O-R-E-M, it will be inserting a paragraph. And what you have to do is, leave some space here and press B. We have to do, let us see how to do bold and italics. Okay, to do that press B and press enter, and also press I and enter. Okay, here two things have come, bold and italics, and the close tag of italics and bold. Now we have to see one thing. First B has come in the open tag, first B and I in the open tag, first B has come and I has come. But in the closing tag, first I has come and B has come. This is the order. You should not change this order. This is very, very important. Now cut this and at the end of the paragraph, paste this. And we don't need this space. So close this. Now save the changes. Ctrl S and go back and reload. Now you can see we have done bold and italics, both the things in this. And you can see you can do bold italics or italics bold, or you can change the bold and underline, just change it to U, and here also change it to U. Bold and underline, U has to come inside and not outside of bold. Okay, save the changes, go back, reload, bold and underline. Okay, it has happened. Now let us see how to do all the three things. This is our sample project. How to do all the three things like bold, italics and underline. It's very, very simple. Insert a new paragraph. For that, P and leave some space here. Put lorem keyword here and a new paragraph will be installed. And what you have to do is we have to do all the three things, right? How to do that? Press some space has to be there to use shortcut, so I'm leaving space. First press B and enter, and then press I and then enter, and then press U and then enter. All the three things have come here. Even if the order of this is changed, there is no problem at all. Okay, just cut this and paste here and save the changes. Go back and reload. New paragraph is created, and also it contains all the three things like bold, italics, and underline. Okay, that's all, and let us go to the assignment. Actually, assignment for you is do all these things by yourself. Okay, try all these things, what are all that I have listed in this video. Do all these things by yourself, and the code that I have written will be shown at last. Okay, just for your reference. You can verify, you can refer it to verify whether you have put the code correctly or not. Okay, use that code for verifying whether you have done right or not. Now let us see that code. This is what the code is. From top to bottom I scroll very slowly and you can see. Leave some space, this is not necessary. Okay, this is what the code is. So thank you friends. Let us see in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.